7 high-ticket online jobs that you can actually land this year. These are the jobs na halos walang nag-a-apply, walang competition, and malaki ang sweldo. So in this video, you will learn ano yung job, the requirements, sweldo, and kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply. Let's go! So, hidden job number 1. Ito yung CRM implementation expert. When we say CRM, guys, ito yung database ng mga companies, big or small. So, nandito lahat ng information and process ng isang business. And yung mga business na yan have their entire operations to systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho. So, ano yung mga task na ginagawa sa job na ito? Same pa rin, magagawa kayo ng workflow. For example, may customer na nag-sign up. Your system na ginawa mo should automatically send an email, mag-a-alert sa sales team, and gagawa ng invoice. Ikaw yung architect nung customer journey. Ano yung mga skills na kailangan nyo dito? So, kailangan you're an expert with CRM platforms. Ito nga yung mga minention ko kanina like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho. Kailangan marunong kayo sa workflow and automation building. Siyempre, kailangan marunong din kayo mag-migrate ng data. For example, magbe-build ka pa lang ng system and lahat ng customer information is nasa Excel lang. So, kailangan alam mo kung paano yun ilipat sa database or sa CRM. Alam mo rin kung paano i-connect yung CRM or yung database sa different systems. For example, sa website, sa funnel. So, this job is technical and sadly, guys, hindi to para sa mga beginners. Pero kung willing kang mag-upskill and matuto for this, mataas ang pwede mong sweldohin. So, how much yung salary ng CRM implementation specialist? It's around 70,000 to 120,000 or more per month. So, depende yan sa magiging client ninyo. Saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply? Search nyo lang, guys, yung HubSpot specialist or Salesforce specialist sa mga specialized agency. One of this is Cloudingo. And syempre, meron din tayo sa LinkedIn. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-google sa job. Hidden job number 2 is the medico-legal scribe or transcriptionist. So, hidden gold mine ito, guys, for healthcare professionals. Kung gusto nyo munang mag-stay at home, instead of working long shifts in the hospital, you could just use your knowledge sa online job na ito. So, ano yung gagawin nyo dito? Makikinig kayo, guys, ng mga recordings or medical or legal recordings and itatranscribe nyo siya sa isang document. So, you're gonna act as a real-time scribe or secretary during mga telehealth visits or updating the doctor's notes. So, sometimes the doctors, they record their notes and then ita-type mo lang kung ano yung na-record nila. So, guys, kailangan talaga familiar kayo sa mga medical terminology because apart from dealing with yung accent nung papakinggan nyo and yung audio gaps, so, kailangan talaga familiar kayo para hindi na kayo mag-back and forth ng research doon sa terms na ginagamit nila with their recordings. So, kailangan familiar kayo sa anatomy, sa mga pharmacology, yung mga gamot, and then kailangan marunong din kayong gumamit ng software na EHR or EMR, like Epic Cerner or Practice Fusion. Kailangan alam nyo din yung HIPAA compliance knowledge, and syempre kailangan mabilis kayong mag-type. At least 60 words per minute. The salary ranges from 60,000 to 95,000 pesos per month if you get a stable job. So, saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply? The websites are HelloRish, My Mountain Mover, or pwede din sa Global Medical Virtual Assistants. Hidden job number 3. The AI training contributor. So, yung mga AI naman na ginagamit natin ngayon, hindi sila natuto on their own. All their knowledge came from us humans pa rin. As an AI training contributor, ang gagawin mo is you have to check, kung ikaw yung quality check, if AI is being sensible, kung may sense ba yung result na binibigay niya, or it's just, woo-woo, delulu, ganon. So, examples ng task nito is bibigyan ka, for example, ng 2 results and sasabihin mo kung alin yung tama para ma-improve yung logic ng AI program. So, kung meron kang background in special fields like STEM or law or finance, you can get a higher pay with this. So, ano yung mga skills na super required or hard skills required for this job? Kailangan magaling yung eye mo for detail and super accurate ka talaga na tao. Ayun. Kasi most of what you're gonna do is doing fact check, research, aligning things to the standard. Kasi yun yung magiging basis talaga ng program. Kailangan meron din kayong alam sa basic coding, like SQL or Python. It could also be required depending dun sa pag-apply nyo na job. And kailangan magaling talaga kayong sumunod ng very specific instructions. So, magkano yung pwede niyong sweldohin as an AI training contributor? The salary ranges from 80,000 to 150,000 per month. Saan naman kayo pwedeng mag-apply? So, pwede kayong mag-apply guys sa dataannotation.tech, outlier.ai, or meron din sa remote tasks. Okay, so guys, before we move on to the next one, just make sure you're already subscribed to our channel para updated kayo sa mga latest online job opportunities. So, hidden job number 4 is the US or Australian tax preparer. Yung bookkeeping kasi na niche is already crowded. Pero, konti lang yung gumagawa ng mga tax prep. Specialized fortress siya. Di ba may BIR tayo dito sa Philippines? Sa States, they have IRS, and then sa Australia naman, they have ATO. If you're a business owner, you need to comply talaga with tax if you want your business to run smoothly and hindi magkaaberya. And these business owners are willing to pay premium for peace of mind. So, ang gagawin mo as a tax preparer, prepare ka ng federal and state tax returns. I-ensure mo that it's within compliance, and you have to help them with their tax planning. So, hard skills ulit yung kailangan dito. You have to be familiar with US IRS forms or Australian ATO standards. Your tools will be accounting softwares like Drake, Xero, or QuickBooks Online. Since you're gonna be handling tax, kailangan meron kayong degree sa accountancy or something similar. Kung kayo ay licensed, then it's a massive salary multiplier. So, magkano naman yung pwede nyong sweldohin here? It will range from 90,000 to 140,000 pesos per month. Saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply? So, you can apply guys in TOA Global or in Zeno Business Solutions or pwede din sa Intuit na direct hire. Hidden job number 5 is SaaS Customer Success Manager. So, hindi to guys yung parang customer service. Ang gagawin mo is magmamanage ka ng mga portfolio ng mga clients for a software company. Parang business to business ito guys. Ang gagawin mo lang as a customer success manager is you have to make sure that these other business na nakipag-partner sa client ninyo is continuously using their software. So, kailangan marunong kayo mag-interpret ng usage data. You also need very good English communication skills here. Pwede din kayo mag-conduct ng mga quarterly business reviews with different business partners and churn prevention strategy. So, bigyan ko kayo ng example. When we moved from Monday.com to ClickUp.com, we were onboarded by one of their customer success manager. And work niya is to make sure that we will be transitioning smoothly to ClickUp. So, nagkaroon kami ng Zoom calls, ng trainings, pinakita niya kung ano yung mga easy way to navigate ClickUp. Nung bago pa si ClickUp, I think this was 3 years ago pa. So, yun yung magiging job ninyo. That's just an example, guys. I'm not saying this is gonna be with ClickUp. So, magkano naman yung pwede nyong sweldohin as a SaaS Customer Success Manager? You can earn from 80,000 to 130,000 pesos per month. Saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply? You can go to arc.dev, remote.com, or you can just search CSM or Customer Success Manager sa LinkedIn or Google Jobs. Moving on to our hidden job number 6, the Go High Level Systems Engineer. And so guys, alam nyo ba that Go High Level is currently the number 1 software used by different marketing companies. So even with my clients, they're also using Go High Level. So as a Go High Level systems engineer, ang trabaho mo is you have to be able to automate SMS follow-ups, email automation, build sales funnels, and appointment booking systems. So maraming functions within the GHL system that you have to be an expert on. So syempre kailangan yung skills nyo, marunong kayo doon sa lahat ng na-mention ko. And syempre kung meron kayong certification from Go High Level itself or any other course similar to that, then that's a big plus to your salary. Magkano yung pwede nyong sweldohin as a Go High Level Systems Engineer? It ranges from 75,000 to 160,000 per month. And ang maganda dito, if you're acting as a freelancer, you can easily scale that salary range. Magpapatong-patong yan. Saan tayo pwedeng mag-apply? Meron tayong mga GHL-specific Facebook groups. Meron din sa Online Jobs PH. I've seen some of the openings there. Pwede rin kayong mag-apply sa mga agency-focused brands like Agency Joy. Search nyo lang yung GHL or Go High Level or High Level Jobs. Ayan, may mga makikita kayo. The number 7 and the last on our list is the BIM Architectural Drafts person. If you are an architect or a civil engineer and feeling mo hindi ka paid ng maayos and you don't wanna work on site anymore, meron tayong global construction boom and you are definitely a good fit for this. So, ano yung task na gagawin mo dito? So, kailangan marunong kayong gumawa ng 3D models using Archicad or Revit. And ang basically yung gagawin nyo guys is magbibuild kayo ng bahay digitally so that they can show it to their customers before nila gawin in the physical world. Ayan. So, kailangan expert kayo guys sa Revit or Archicad. Marunong kayo ng 3D modeling and rendering. And kailangan alam niyo yung mga building codes in Australia or US or kung saan man nakatira si client ninyo. Kailangan din marunong kayong mag-communicate because you're gonna show a visual representation of your work. And kailangan accurate kayo sa inyong mga technical documentation. Magkano naman guys yung pwede nyong sweldohin dito? You can earn from 80,000 to 160,000 or more per month. Saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply? They have openings in remote staff, outsourced PH, and in Hammerjack. So guys, one thing that we really need to accept and tanggapin na sa ngayon, the money is really in specialization. So kailangan meron talaga kayong specialized niche para mataas yung susweldohin ninyo. So, pili lang kayo guys ng isa sa mga nabanggit natin and then, you know, spend some weeks upskilling and trust me guys, mababawi nyo rin yung effort, time, and money na inilagay nyo sa pag-upskill. So, parang investment nyo yan sa sarili ninyo. And guys, if this video helped you see the light, please hit that subscribe button. Again, guys, my name is Mimi and dito sa ating channel, we always share work from home opportunities. Ang goal ko talaga when I started this channel is to help everyone earn more and live unburdened by financial constraints. And ever since, guys, we started in 2018, the Philippine online job market has evolved so much and has really improved drastically thanks to all your support. So continue lang guys natin to spread the word. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!